joining Everyday Glamour with Stace. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much. Oops, dropped something. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. If you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and click that red subscribe button. And also click on the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. So, what am I going to be talking about today? I'm talking about how to make something cute from the Dollar Tree. What? I am all about being a budgetista and finding things on a budget. So I love decorating, I love making things look cute, but I also love being budget friendly. I don't like spending a lot of money on things like that just because I feel like if you can get something that looks just as good for a third of the price or fourth of the price, well, why not? So in one of the craft groups that I'm in on Facebook, they do a lot of different crafts, so I get a ton of ideas from them. And one lady posted this picture frame that she did from the Dollar Tree, where she pretty much got a picture frame from the Dollar Tree, took out the back, and then put one of the stickers from the Dollar Tree on it just to make this really cool see-through picture frame that she put up on her wall. So, you know, I went to the Dollar Tree and I was like, I'm going to do that. So I went in there and I was just amazed at the amount of stuff that they have in their craft section. Like picture frames, what do you call it? Artificial flowers, like cool, just all types of things. So I'll input some video footage and also a couple pictures here for you to see some of the things that they had. So now that you see some of the inventory that the Dollar Tree has, go ahead and run there and get you some stuff to make your house cute. So what I'm going to be doing today is just kind of telling you what I did for the wall above our bedroom, and I'll insert the picture here. That is above our bedroom, and everything on that wall except for the pictures, of course, came from Dollar Tree. So I spent a total of $8 for the frames, the mirrors, and also the middle frame and the sticker from Dollar Tree. $8 for a picture collage over your bed is just unheard of. Most people may spend $8 on just printing the pictures, and you spend anywhere from $10 to $12 each for picture frames, and then you buy mirrors from some expensive store, but $8 for the total collage? Come on now, y'all. So what I'm going to be doing is just showing you a quick way to do that. Of course, the pictures that I got, I don't have to tell you how to put a picture in a picture frame. Those are just pictures put into a picture frame, 5x7 pictures. And the mirrors I just put on the side. So I did have some Pinterest inspiration, just kind of looking around Pinterest, seeing how some people organize their collages above their bed, just to kind of get some inspiration. Now, I was going to add more to it, but I think we kind of like it like it is. So I kind of want to keep it simple, and we like the pictures that we chose and the mirror, so we decided to go with that. So this is just the frame that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, it's just a picture frame, and it's an 8x10. For when you look at your stickers, just make sure that I put my sticker on it to make sure it will fit. Now, the Dollar Tree that I went to, they did not have any more 11x17 picture frames. That is the one I would have chose, but they did not have any more, so I was unable to get that. So I got an 8x10, and I'm gonna cut some off. So this is the sticker. It says, you will forever be my always. I think that's pretty cute. So I don't need this for anything, so once I make it, I'm just going to give it to one of my nieces to put wherever they want to put it in their house. But what I did is, of course, you're going to match it up like that. So you're making it look like that. So I kind of put it over it. You're going to put it over it and make sure it's going to fit. As you can see, some of those flowers are off on the frame, so I'm okay with cutting some of those flowers off. Not a big deal. So what I did is, you just take the picture frame, take the little notches off to take it out. So you're going to take that out, take this part out. And for my wall, of course you want to clean the glass. So clean the glass to make sure that it's free of all of the little finger marks and stuff like that, which I'll do later. But it has these little pieces that you usually push down the glass with. So you can do that. I'm going to do that as a quick shortcut. But what I did with mine is I took the glass out, and on the corners put a dot of super glue in it, and then put the glass back in it to dry. So that kind of keeps the glass in place for you if you don't want these foldy things to be seen. Now, what I did with the little metal folding things, because I did not want them to be seen, I folded them back. So I folded them back onto the wood. But in this case, being that I don't have my super glue gun up here, I'm going to just fold it forward. And so, as you can see, you can kind of see the black things through the glass. But that's not a big deal for this tutorial. But the glass won't come out. Now, you're not putting the back on it. So you don't need the back for anything, because you're going to hang this just like this. So, I'm going to just turn my camera a little bit. So, as you can see, I have it right there. And I am going to take the sticker. I'm going to take the first sticker. Can you guys see that? Can you see it good? I just want to make sure you can see it. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I'm going to take my sticker. This is the sticker, the first one. And you know what? If you wanted to put it sideways, you could do that. But I think it looks better portrait instead of landscape. So as you can see, that's too big. So I'm going to just cut off the flower, because you want the part of the Y. So just cut it off so that it still looks good. And just kind of set that over to the side. And try to center it so that, you know, it looks nice. And think about the other part you're going to have to put on, so as far as spacing. So just kind of set it on like that and just kind of smooth it out. And then what I also did is I just took something else, and I happen to have a makeup brush here. So I just took like something else and kind of, you know, kind of pushed over it. I don't like that because that's not very... Okay, so I'm going to use the corners of the scissors. So just kind of, you know, push over it to get it to lay down good. If you have something flat that's hard, like a credit card or something like that, use that, because it'll push it down smooth. And you want to get that white look away from under it, where a sticker isn't stuck down good. So kind of smooth that, go all across that. So we got the first part on. You guys see it? It'll look better once I put it up on the wall for you to see it. Now we're going to take off the second sticker. And the same thing goes with the second sticker. There is a portion of it that needs to be cut off just because it's kind of big. Okay, so I actually did not notice that. This one has like a little sticker. So I'm going to put this back on here, and we can put that on afterwards to see, you know, where we want that at. If it has any kind of accent stickers, like, you know, flowers and things like that, wait to put that on afterwards, so to make sure you get everything that needs to be on there, and then kind of fit that in where it needs to go. And so this is Be My Always. So let's see. And always reference how they had it, because you want it to kind of flow like that. I'm going to move it over just a tad. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm going to kind of roll that over that. So once you have most of that kind of pushed down, you're going to go back to the piece that is kind of like an extra flower that I just showed you guys. And you're just going to kind of look at that and see where you want to put it. If you don't want to use it at all, you don't have to use it. But if you think you could use it, then do it. Let me see. And also, don't be afraid to cut it. So this is like this. I'm going to cut off the stem. And then I'm going to put this over here. So I'm going to put that there. And then the other one, the other flower that I had to cut off the end of it, I am going to cut off the stem of it. And I'm going to put it, I feel like something needs to be down here, but I don't want it to look kind of crazy. Let's see. Maybe up here. Yeah, that might work. And just kind of push it down. And so I'm going to move my picture. I absolutely love this picture. It says, whenever you're overwhelmed, remember whose daughter you are and straighten your crown. Love this picture. Ladies, always remember whose daughter you are. Keep that crown straight. Okay, so this would be how it will be looking hanging on the wall. Oop, moving my table. You see? So it says, you will forever be my always. Isn't that cool? So you can achieve this look. Like I said, this actual like picture, if you only wanted to do this, you can do this for $2. So you buy the picture frame and you buy the sticker, and that is all you need. If you have super glue at home, I would recommend using super glue because I don't want the little pieces to show. But if you don't mind that, you don't have to use super glue, so $2. And like I said, the other things that are on my wall all came from Dollar Tree. Total of $8. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to drop them below. Please like this video, comment any questions you have, and also don't forget to subscribe. I love to have you watching my videos. All right, thank you and have a wonderful day.